How you gonna complain about a bob? An $89 bob. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. This is an $89 natural textured wig. Listen.
It looks like you went and got a blow job at your blowout at your salon.
This looked like my hairline, I'm just saying. That is the wig. But before you grab that change purse, go ahead and have a seat and let me show you how I got this wig together out the pack. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit is from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their 7x5 closure Yaki bob. I got it in 10 inches and the pre-styled curls. Do y'all see this? It's looking real good. If you don't know how to use a curler, go ahead and get this pre-styled joint. And I know somebody going to tell me, girl, I don't want to wear wigs. It's too hot. Listen, don't. Okay, and go ahead and delete that paragraph about wearing your natural hair and all that kind of stuff.
Since you got your degree and you know every fucking thing.
Excuse me. Huh? Confidence is key and I will be confident in my wig. Thank you. Let me do what I want to do with my scalp. And speaking of my scalp, I need to put a cap on because guess what? I'm not washing the wig. So if you're wearing this joint out the pack, wear the cap. Now I got about 30 minutes to get ready. So I wanted something real easy and I think this is going to hit the spot real nice. I know it hit that pocket real nice, $89. To tint my lace, I'm going to use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark. And I'm going to use a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade. Get my lace brush right over here. If this install is going by too fast, good. It's a real easy wig. Pop that all around the edge of that lace. I'm not gonna put nothing in the middle of the lace because I don't know if I'm gonna wear it in the middle. I'm probably gonna wear it in the middle. Shush, 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 shush. That lace feels real soft. I like that, Nadula. It does come with the adjustable elastic band as well as the drawstring in the back that you can lock down for a tighter glueless fit, as well as a comb to keep that back nape stationary. We don't want the rising up. Yeah, I rise. We don't want that, all right? Let's see, get it around, get it around. Ooh, that's real soft on my skin, thank you. I love that for me. Tighten it down. And don't forget to lock it, because if you don't lock it, it will come loose. Get my hairline together. I gotta break this up. See how it was like a moon? Like a, about to say a crescent. What's this? Oval shape around here. That's not natural. So I gotta pull some hair down, or tease some hair up rather, and pull some hair out. So I'm just gonna kind of grab some right here at the peak and pull. That's all I'm gonna do. Where my mousse at? Shake, 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 shake your mousse up. Using my Nairobi mousse, real quick. Oh, oh, now what? Golly, this ain't the right one. It can't be, because why would you buzz all over my face like that? I don't like that. I'm just gonna swirl up my side like this to kind of break it up and give it a natural appearance. You'll see once it's dry, but only right here at the temple area and on the sides, because it's a closure. Got my curler here just in case. They sent me a band. Let's go ahead and wrap it down. Hey, let me do my makeup real quick. So let me take out the rollers. It's just these right here in the front, right? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's these little joints. Or does this one not have it? It did. This one have it? I don't think it does. Let's just take it out like that. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. I'm gonna take a paddle brush because I want to soften up the curls to give it like a wave. More bounce to the ounce. Ooh. Let me just put on my curler. Fix the curl in the back. See how our hairline is looking? You see? I can't. The hair is very bouncy and soft. It's kind of flipping in the back, and I don't want that. Let me just bump some of the ends. Let me just fix some of this. It looks very healthy. Healthy, healthy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Y'all, this took me like 10 minutes. This is all optional. You don't gotta do any of this. I'm just changing up the direction of the curl in some areas. Now I'm gonna add some powder in my parting space using the same contour palette. A mixture of the sculpt with a tap of the contour. Just kind of blend that all together. Take my sexy hairspray right here, lift this up. I want to lift. Use your products, okay? Y'all, this took me exactly 11 minutes and 34 seconds. And I honestly only took that long because I was showing y'all what I was doing. That's it. If I was doing this by myself, 5 minutes. Hold up. Hey, I didn't tell y'all, but the wig is still glueless, okay? It's still glueless. No spray. Okay, I wanted to make sure I showed y'all that before I hit it back outside with this one. Do y'all see the movement? This is the bump from what you're seeing right now. So I'm in the future. Still no complaints. And still $89. $89, $89, $80. I have no complaints about this hair whatsoever. It's a bob. How are you gonna complain about a bob? An $89 bob. I can complain because it's money spent, but I don't have that much to complain about. Very simple with the middle part. If you want to do a side part, you got the parting space to do that. It's 7x5. Okay, so you can part it right up in here. Do you see the hairline? Oh wait, do I see lace? No. Now with the curl last in here, maybe you may need to put those rollers back in there, so you know, thank you for those. But as far as what it's doing right now, okay, roller set. Y'all know my forehead is big, but it's good for something. Okay, I can put that hairline wherever I want. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.